How to sell solar remotely in 2023. Hey, welcome guys back to another video on the channel. My name is Ivan, and on this one, we're talking about how to sell solar remotely in 2023 and how to do it at a rate that's gonna get you paid real fast, okay? Because a lot of people think about doing it remotely, but they never actually take action towards it. Now, I've been getting a few messages here and there, of people telling me, which I'm super grateful about, because you guys don't comment on my videos for whatever reason, so please comment. If you've ever taken value from me at all, in any way, shape, or form, please comment down below, because it really fires me up to continue to make more of these videos for you guys, all right? And the messages always say something like this: hey, Van, I've been watching your videos for a few months. You were the reason why I got into solar, or you were the reason why I switched from in-home sales to phone sales. I've already closed some deals, whatever, okay? It makes me super happy reading those messages. I'm like, my content actually does work, okay? It does help people, which is really what drives me at the end of the day. So that's what I'm putting it out for you guys, so I don't just keep the secrets to myself, because they're not secrets at the end of the day. Anyway, so the topic of this video is I pretty much wanted to serve you as a wake-up call, all right? What do I mean by a wake-up call? I want this to be kind of like ingrained into your mind so much to the point where you're like, you wake up in the middle of the night and you think about it, all right? Because I want you to take action. If you want to be in solar, if you want to continue to be in solar and actually grow and be successful, that's what you need to do. First of all, you need to start selling remotely. Why? Because otherwise you're limiting yourself to your physical location, all right? I'm not going to talk about the negatives or the pros and cons or whatever, but I'm going to talk to you about how to make the switch, or if you're thinking about getting in solar, how to sell remotely, because to me, that's the only way to grow your business and do it continuously without a doubt. So first and foremost, don't waste your time working for another company, because you're in solar, okay? Instead of getting paid peanuts, you can write your own paycheck. Do not talk about the freaking apricots and the powers and whatever and whatnot. I don't want to talk about these companies, but I'm just saying, beating their chest so much about the opportunity, you got to think about, why are they really doing this? Are they doing it because they really want me to win, or are they doing it because they want to win? That's why I'm giving you guys this message, because I don't want to link up any affiliated brands or installers, any of that kind of stuff, because that way my message will be polluted, all right? I want my message to be super clean, crystal clear to you. I don't care about how you do it, how you go out there and do it. I just want you to do it, because that way I know for a fact that you're going to go out there and win. Don't work for another company. Do not do that. Go file for an LLC, get your business bank account set up, get all that set up, and then open up your business if you don't already have that. Don't work for another company. Don't think about working for another company. Yeah, but Ivan, I can go there and learn how to sell. Dude, I have a course that's super affordable that's going to show you everything from A to Z on how to do this remotely. You do not need to waste 6 months or a year of your life going through a company, eating all your profits just to learn how to sell. And to be honest, you're not even going to learn how to sell the right way. So why bother? Do not do that, okay? That was number one. Number two is, once you've set up your own LLC, ready to go on your own, you got to find installers or EPCs to put your deals through. It's not that difficult. Just reach out to installers that are multi-state installers, that are big installers, okay? Do not work with mom and pop shops. Nothing against mom and pop shops, but to me, these companies are not equipped to serve you at 100%. If you're going to sell it over the phone, and if you're going to do that remotely. Find an installer. And when I tell you find an installer, I mean find 2 or 3 installers. Do not find one, okay? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just make sure you have 2 or 3. Have a backup and then a backup of the backup, all right? Do not fuck with one installer only, all right? Screw that. You need to have 3 at least. So a lot of these companies are like, oh, God is great and stuff. Dude, no installer is freaking that freaking great, okay? So go and get yourself some backups, all right? This is not your wife. You're not getting married to the installer. You need to have options, okay? So number 2 will be the installer. Number 3 is you got to start generating leads online, okay? Ditch paying any other agencies or anything else like that, right? I have a course right now. Is a 50% off at pre-launch. Get it. It will be the first link in the description below, all right? It will be worth so much money to you because of the knowledge that you're going to get. You're going to learn everything from A to Z, from how to run solar ads and get leads profitably for yourself in your sales org. And you don't even need technical knowledge. Even someone like me can do it, and I promise you, I'm not good with that at all. And before you say, Ivan, you're just trying to sell your courses, like, listen, dude, that's exactly the reason why I created these courses, because I don't want you to suffer. If you think $1,000 or a couple of grand is expensive, wait till you start doing this on your own. We have spent over $25 million in solar ads, so we know how all the patterns on these platforms work. You do not need to learn from scratch, I promise you. You're gonna waste your money, okay? So do not do that. So that was my 3 things for today. And I'm so passionate right now because I want you to go out there and take action and get traction in 2023. Do not screw anymore with these solar companies or any of that stuff. Like, go out there and do it on your own, okay? Because you can. I believe in you. If you follow the right steps, things that I just said in this video, guarantee you're gonna succeed 100%. It's not that difficult. It's not rocket science. You just need to decide and make small steps towards your target. It's that simple. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you do so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And if you ever got value from me at all, make sure you share that with other solar buddies or other people that are interested in solar or ERC or just getting better in general. Don't share it on your social media, just share it with a friend. I've been told a few times already that you guys have been sharing my messages with your friends, and I'm super grateful. And that's how we're growing as a channel and as an audience and as a community. So I appreciate you and I love you, and I'll see you again in the next video.